If you're still waiting for games to load, your storage could be the main problem. A fast M.2 NVMe SSD not only speeds up your PC, but also transforms how it feels to operate. From near-instant boot times to enormous open-world games loading in seconds, the appropriate SSD may help everything run faster, smoother, and more responsively. However, with so many options available, selecting the best one is not straightforward. That's why today, we're ranking the best M.2 NVMe SSDs for gaming, ranging from fantastic value upgrades to ultimate performance monsters. Let's find the best speed boost for your system. Number 7. Samsung 990 Pro. The Samsung 990 Pro 4TB feels like the type of upgrade you notice as soon as you switch on your computer. Everything just goes faster. Boot times are reduced, major games load almost instantly, and large files copy over before you can check your phone. It leverages PCIe 4.0 and pushes the standard to its boundaries. So whether you're gaming, editing films, or working on massive projects, everything feels fluid and snappy. One of the best features is how well it manages heavy workloads. It doesn't just rely on high maximum speeds, it's also considerably better at dealing with many tiny jobs at once, which is what makes your system feel truly fast in everyday use. Samsung has also enhanced power efficiency, ensuring that it does not waste energy or overheat while in flight. That's a significant advantage for extended game sessions or long work days. Storage space is another advantage. With 4 terabytes, you can keep large games, movie libraries, and work files in one location without continually juggling space. On the downside, all of this performance means you'll need adequate cooling in your system, as it, like most high-end SSDs, may get warm under sustained use. Realistically, most casual users will not push it to its full potential. Still, if you want a drive that makes your entire system feel faster and more premium, the 990 Pro is an outstanding piece of gear. Number 6. AIBX16 Plus. The AIBX16 Plus 1TB NVMe SSD seems like one of those upgrades that immediately improves your system's performance. The moment you install it, you'll notice faster boot speeds, games that load quickly, and enormous files that move about without waiting. It uses PCIe 4.0 and is designed to take full advantage of modern systems, making it ideal for gaming PCs, laptops, and even setups centered on video editing or content creation. What really impresses is how balanced the performance seems. It's not only about high top speeds on paper, in actual use, everything feels smoother and more responsive, especially when you're switching between programs or working on large tasks. The 1 terabyte capacity is also a good compromise, providing enough space for numerous huge games, videos, and work files without having to continually worry about eliminating them. Installation is very simple, just insert it into the M.2 slot and you're set to go. On the bright side, it's speedy, broadly compatible, and appears to be a strong, stable drive that was thoroughly tested before shipment. On the other hand, like most high-performance PCIe 4.0 SSDs, it can get heated under heavy, long operations. Therefore, adequate airflow or a heat sink is beneficial. Also, power users who deal with large libraries may eventually require more than 1 terabyte. Overall, the AIBX16 Plus seems like a speedy, modern SSD that significantly improves your system's daily speed and responsiveness. Number 5. Kingston NV3. The Kingston NV3 1TB NVMe SSD is one of those subtle improvements that makes your entire system feel newer and faster. Once loaded, you'll notice that your computer boots up faster, programs open faster, and gamers spend less time staring at the loading screens. It features PCIe 4.0, which allows it to take advantage of newer motherboards and gives significantly faster rates than earlier drives, making ordinary operations feel smoother and more responsive. The NV3's appeal stems from its simplicity and dependability. It's designed in the standard M.2 2280 size, so it fits seamlessly into most laptops and desktops. With 1 terabyte of space, you have enough storage for your operating system, a reasonable number of games, and your work files without having to continuously decide what to eliminate. It is also engineered to withstand bumps and movement better than older hard drives, providing some peace of mind if the system is moved around. On the plus side, it provides a significant increase in speed, straightforward installation, and consistent day-to-day performance, making things feel faster. On the other hand, it's clearly intended at ordinary users rather than extreme power users. So if you're continuously working with big files or performing heavy, non-stop workloads, you may not always achieve absolute top-tier performance. Like many PCIe 4.0 SSDs, it can get heated over long, vigorous sessions, thus excellent airflow is beneficial. Overall, the Kingston NV3 feels like a a clean, modern, no-nonsense SSD that improves your system's performance and responsiveness without complicating things. Number 4. Crucial P310. The Crucial P310 1TB seems like one of those upgrades that instantly makes your smartphone faster and more modern. From the first boot, you'll notice speedier startup times, faster program launches, and games that load without the long, unpleasant wait. Because of the PCIe 4.0 support, it can achieve genuinely amazing speeds, making everything from everyday multitasking to more demanding tasks like picture or video editing appear smoother and more responsive. The P310 is particularly appealing because of its flexibility. It is compatible with most laptops and desktop computers, as well as various handheld game consoles, so you are not limited to a single type of a device. It's also backward compatible, which is useful if you're upgrading from an older system but want something that will work with a newer build later. The 1TB capacity is sufficient for keeping your operating system, a number of huge games, and your primary apps all in one location without continually managing space. On the bright side, you get good overall performance, dependable Micron-built memory, and built-in heat regulation to keep things steady throughout extended sessions. It also includes data recovery software, which serves as a useful backup plan. On the flip side, while it is extremely fast, serious power users who frequently transfer large files may want something even more extreme, and like most Gen 4 drives, it can heat up under sustained severe loads, thus enough airflow is required. Overall, the Crucial P310 hits an excellent combination between speed, compatibility, and everyday dependability, making it a highly recommended upgrade for most modern systems. Number 3. SanDisk. The WD Black SN8100 4TB feels less like an ordinary SSD upgrade and more like a step into the future of storage. This drive is PCIe Gen 5, which means it is designed for extremely fast computers and demanding tasks. When you first start using it, you notice how quickly everything loads. Massive games load nearly instantly, large video projects open without hesitation, and heavy AI or creative tasks feel significantly smoother than previously. It's the type of drive that makes your entire computer feel more powerful. Not only is its raw speed impressive, but so is its ability to manage intense multitasking. Moving huge files, producing films, and working on complex projects all have minimal impact on its performance. With 4 terabytes of capacity, you can put your operating system, a large gaming library, and massive work files all in one location without worrying about storage. It is also developed with current NAND and high endurance in mind, allowing it to withstand years of heavy use. Furthermore, it is remarkably efficient for something so fast, which helps keep power consumption and heat under better control than you may anticipate. Nonetheless, this is certainly a high-end, performance-focused drive. To properly benefit from it, you'll need a system that supports PCIe Gen 5, and sufficient cooling is still required for lengthy, intense workloads. For most people, it's simply too much power to employ fully. Overall, the WD Black SN8100 is a monster of an SSD, blazing fast, vast in capacity, and very capable, ideal for gamers, creators, and anyone looking for the absolute pinnacle of storage performance. Number 2. WD Black SN7100. The WD Black SN7100 2TB SSD is the type of SSD that instantly brings your system to life, especially if you enjoy gaming or use a laptop or mobile device. Once loaded, you'll notice that games load significantly faster, levels appear faster, and everyday operations like booting up or accessing apps feel smoother and more responsive. It employs PCIe Gen 4, which provides enough bandwidth to offer those high speeds without feeling extravagant or difficult to operate. What truly distinguishes the SN7100 is its ability to strike a perfect balance between performance and efficiency. It's powerful enough to play modern games and heavy programs with ease, but it's also meant to be gentler on battery-powered devices, so laptops and handheld gaming systems won't suffer as much battery drain. The 2 terabyte capacity is also a significant bonus, as it allows you to store massive game libraries, media files, and work projects all in one spot. The latest 3D NAND improves both performance and long-term dependability, making it feel like a drive intended to last. On the plus side, you get strong, steady performance, outstanding efficiency, and a form factor that easily fits in most modern smartphones. WD software also allows you to monitor the drive's health and performance. On the flip side, while it's very fast, it's still a Gen 4 drive, so it can't match the extreme speeds of the latest Gen 5 models. And like most high-performance SSDs, it can get heated during extended gaming or intensive work periods, so enough airflow is still required. Overall, the WD Black SN7100 is an intelligent, powerful upgrade for gamers and mobile users seeking speed, space, and efficiency in one dependable package. Number 1. 6X7400. The 6X7400 1TB NVMe SSD is a type of upgrade that makes your system feel instantly faster and more responsive, especially while gaming or working with large files. It uses PCIe Gen 4, so it has the bandwidth to give extremely fast speeds, allowing your PC or console to boot faster, load games in a fraction of the time, and move large files without the tedious waiting. It even includes its own heatsink, which is a great touch and helps keep temperatures under control during extended gaming sessions or heavy workloads. What makes this drive appealing is its versatility. You can drop it into a laptop, desktop, or even a PS5, and installation is simply owing to the accompanying kit. The 1TB storage allows you to store a large game library, key apps, and important information without continuously running out of space. Performance-wise, it feels quick not only in games, but also in things like content production or working on massive projects, where speedier storage makes a significant difference. On the bright side, you get Gen 4 performance, broad compatibility, a supplied heatsink, and a lengthy warranty, which provides some peace of mind. On the flip side, like most high-speed SSDs, it can still get heated after prolonged intensive usage. Even with cooling, and particularly demanding users who work with enormous data sets may require more than 1 terabyte. Also, while it is fast, it falls short of the extreme speeds of later Gen 5 drives. Overall, the 6X7400 feels like a robust, well-rounded SSD that provides a substantial increase in everyday speed, smoother gaming, and faster workflows without requiring any difficult setup. And there you have it, the best M.2 NVMe SSDs for gaming, from outrageously fast Gen 5 monsters to smart, dependable Gen 4 upgrades that can radically change the way your system feels. Regardless of whatever option you choose, boosting your storage is one of the simplest methods to achieve faster load times, smoother games, and a more responsive PC or console. If this video helped you choose the best SSD, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Legit Pick channel, and enable notifications so you don't miss any future tech picks and honest reviews. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.